So the basic thought to win this endgame is, we will try to push the enemy king towards the back rank, and if at any moment, the enemy king and bishop is separate, we will just give a bunch of useful checks and win the bishop, and then proceed to checkmate the king. Now the king wants to escape by using bishop as a shield. So we will stop that by moving our king forward. Now we will try to push the king back using our queen. Bringing our king closer to the action. Now the most important part of our strategy is complete. We have separated the king and the bishop. So we will just pick up the miserable bishop by giving useful checks. And now this poor king has nobody to defend him. At this point your opponent will most probably resign, but if he doesn't, make sure to look him dead in the eye while continuing the process of checkmating his king. Now push that poor king on the back rank. And bring your king forward to deliver the final blow. And now the enemy king is about to be checkmated in the next move. But don't checkmate him just yet, take your time, drink some water, look your opponent dead in the eye and laugh like a maniac. Now checkmate the king and take your opponent's soul with you. Drop a like if you liked the video and comment below any chess query that you would like to be answered. Goodbye.